Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, Lexmark device. I have Lexmark NB2236i device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change region on your printer. So to do it, you need to open settings, of course. So open settings, then choose device, then choose preferences. Then you will see country and region, so click region and find your region. I live in Poland, so I have Poland, but you can use Portugal or United States or Germany, I don't know. So find your location, find your country and choose it, and that's it. As you can see now, I am in Portugal. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.